Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to view the division rewards. So basically like what stuff you get if you're like diamond, gold, plat, whatever. And so first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to rank and skill division over there on the bottom. From here you're going to go to not skill division. You're going to go to hold on, give me a second. Rank and skill division, yeah. And then you're going to go to skill division. From here, oh wait, sorry, it was actually challenges and rewards. You have to go to challenges and rewards, then you're going to go to division rewards, and then from here you will see that bronze and silver doesn't have like I think any rewards except this, like this thing. I forgot what this is. I think it's like an emblem or something, but yeah. Anyways, but once you get to gold, you will start unlocking like skins, you know, charms, and yeah, every like division after gold has a skin, so that's like the biggest like reward you can basically get. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.